Hi guys, so I just got my Crafter's Companion box number 8. I thought it was box number 7. I'm like, oh, let me go verify that, but I didn't want to log on. And all I had to do was look behind me because on my desk here I have them all set up because they're so pretty, the boxes. It's number 8 for January or December. I don't know. They send it out. They send it out like on the 20th of the month, between the 17th and the 20th. So I guess it's for the following month. So I guess it's for January. I don't know. I don't know if they're going to do this again, because I still have a few more to come in. So before, you know what I'm saying, the year's not over. They started like in June or something, March, HSN last year. So if they do it again, you should get in on it. I love it. I've not been disappointed. I mean, there's some when they come in, it's mostly paper, but that hardly ever happens. So this one's the metallic markers pen kit, which is funny because I just ordered 2 sets of the metallic markers anyway, so I have quite a few of them. Sorry, if it's not one thing, it's another. Yesterday I ran out of memory on my card, and now my battery died. So anyway, okay, so this is super cute. It always looks like this. Really nice setup here. I'm trying to see where this lighting is coming from. Sorry. Oh well. And it says it has over 230 elements because they count every single piece of paper, every single everything. It always comes sealed with the Crafter's Companion seal, which is really nice. Pictures of Sarah, some nice pictures on the back. And we'll open this up. So as you see, there's Sarah. Tell you that lady can sell, man. All right, thank you for your purchase. Be sure to visit dedicated page, which really, crafterscompanion.com isn't that great. I mean, they have a few things, very few things. Of course, the UK site's better, and you can also order from the UK site in the US, I believe, is what I saw, but I haven't done that yet. So I just get my stuff through HSN and other areas. Sometimes other stores, I might have some of those things. But all right, so we have some half pearls here. 2 sets of stamps. These are really pretty. She always has butterfly things. I mean, that's not atypical of what she normally sends. Tons of butterflies. I probably have, I don't even know, maybe even hundreds of butterflies from them. So there's that one stamp set with a lot of sentiments. Really cute. This one has more flowers and like a little fern, which is nice. It's a little different. Oh, there's cute little tiny, I always forget what those are called. I don't know. What are they? Oh my gosh. And people have mentioned it to me on here before. The last time I forgot what they're called. Anyway, all I know is I tell my kids, don't blow those because they're going to make more weeds in the lawn. So that's what I know about that. Dandelions? Anyway, card blanks. So there's some small ones, some regular A2 looks like, and some square, probably 6-inch card blanks. Oh, and some black ones in here too. Cool. So you can see that. You can still get this in so much as if they have extra ones, they will post them for sale, and you have to just keep your eye out. So, you know, like right now, I know they have, I think well, I don't know, honestly, I know they have it. They had one with the butterflies in it, the butterfly thin cuts or thin dies, whatever they call them. And it was still the same, $24.95. It's just that you might not get it, right? So that's why you want to get into the thing. So envelopes that coordinate with all the different sizes. Die cut card blanks, so these are pretty much the same size, but they have a little aperture cut out, and they also have them in black. This has a lot of, this is what I'm saying, it's a lot of paper, right? I mean, the stamps are nice, but like this is just a lot of paper for that price. But there's a little bit of ribbon. Ooh, this, whatever this is, it's very shiny. It's making my camera freak out, and I'll try to cover it up. And little metal charms, which are adorable. There's probably 5 or 6 of them. Super cute. Maybe a little more. Looks like 6, but this metallic mirror card, and it is mirror card. This looks like straight up, not like a mirror, like you can't look in and say, oh, I can see myself. You can see a little bit of a reflection. I don't know if you can, you probably can't see that, but it's more like if it were aluminum foil. You know how if you look at aluminum foil on the shiny side, the other side, that's what it looks like. And then we have white and black card. A lot of white and black card. Usually they include lots of like printed papers, so I'm kind of interesting to see what's up with that. Vellum sheets, and there are very few of them unless there's like 2 in each. It looks like there's only 1 in each size. And then acetate, which is kind of cool. So they included a couple pieces of acetate in each size. These are probably for the aperture cards, I don't know. That's cool, actually, in a way, because I've never tried their acetate, and they do sell it on HSN, but I think it's like 20 or 25 bucks, and I'm like, I have some other acetate from like a long time ago when I used to really be into like making boxes, but it's not this thick, I'll tell you that, so that's nice thick. Some information about the pens for some reason. I guess they might have like the little alcoholic kind of smell to them. Let me see why. So, Normally these pens are, yeah, they have their label on it, so it's a Spectrum Noir metallic. We have the silver, green, gold, plate, green citrine, and pink quartz. Let me just open this up real quick. I told you guys I'd make a video using their pens and stuff, but I haven't quite done that yet. I have pretty much every type of pen I sell. It has a scent. I don't want to say it's not that bad. I'm not sure why it has all this information, but I guess just to let you know how to use it. And then you store them laying horizontally, of course. But let me show you here. Well, I don't know. I'll just write on this paper. This is, again, just like scrapbooking paper. And this paper really sucked up that ink. I don't know if you can see that, or you can see the metallic of it. But it is metallic. I mean, I don't know if it's anything to write home about. What do you guys think? So that's the fine tip. I'm sure it looks awesome on black paper too. Ooh, now that's the one I like. Let's do that. So that's the brush tip. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so I take it back. I do like that a lot. I don't know about this little fine tip, but the other opposite side works really nice. So let's see, where's the... Pretty cool. That one kind of separates a little bit, the metallic from the color. As you can see, the silver one looks perfect, but this one, it just has like a little sheen on top. But maybe it's because I just started using it and maybe it was just sitting there collecting, you know. I don't know if you can see the silver particles just chilling. But that is that. So thanks so much, you guys, for watching and for, you know, seeing what's in this month's box number 8. And I'll show you next month. I don't know why I hadn't been doing the last few months. It's just that I think with the move and not really having a space anymore, a craft space, until I just got this sorted out. I told you guys I found my $25 table at the Goodwill, and I actually got 10% off with the military discount. So I got it for $22.50, and then I ordered a high stool that goes with it, like a bar stool, just a regular bar stool, for $20 on Amazon. So I got my whole set for $45, and it looks more expensive than that. So I'm really happy to have it. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.